Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business product in hand interaction using Puppet Warp in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a product in hand image. I pause because hand interaction builds trust. I duplicate the layer and convert it into a smart object. I open Puppet Warp. I place pins on fingers, knuckles, and wrist carefully. I slowly adjust finger position to look natural. I stop often. Business images should never feel forced. I add a pin on the forearm to lock movement. I zoom in and check skin texture. Everything stays clean. I apply the warp.